Hey you guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Alicia's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making my spicy mango habanero chicken wings. Once more guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now guys, let's cook. First things first, we're gonna be washing our chicken wings, and I'm using vinegar, and you're gonna use the vinegar just to cut the rawness, and you're just gonna wash that thoroughly. Then you're just gonna drain the chicken wings. Now I'm washing my chicken for the second time, and you're just gonna squeeze the excess liquid from that.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
And now to season my chicken, I'm going in with my Maggi all-purpose chicken seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, paprika, black pepper. And guys, I also went in with garlic powder. You guys didn't see that part, but I went in with garlic powder. And you're just gonna mix that. Then I'm adding some cream. Now guys, for my dredge, I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, my Maggi all-purpose chicken seasoning, paprika, Old Bay, and black pepper. Then I'm also whisking some eggs. First, you're gonna add the chicken to your egg. Then you're gonna go in with the flour. Just make sure that the egg is all over that chicken, making sure everything is well coated. Then you're just gonna add your chicken. You're gonna make sure your chicken is well coated with the flour. Then you're just gonna add that to your skillet.
I wanna take it all in.
And I'm cooking that on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, because I'll be transferring that to the oven. Now guys, for my mango habanero sauce, I'm going in with some mango, and I'm just gonna cut that in dices, and I'm just gonna blend that in my little blender, my smoothie blender. Or you can use a food processor if you guys have.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Now guys, I'm also chopping up some habanero pepper,
Doesn't matter if it's true.
some olive oil, and I'm also using some mild hot pepper sauce, and I'm just blending that out. And to season it, I'm using black pepper and salt, and you're just gonna blend that until it's smooth. Now guys, all you do is just toss your chicken in that sauce, and that's about it. Now look at this amazing chicken wings. It was so delicious guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and let's connect on IG at Alicia's_kitchen. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.